Okay, good morning everyone. May I request everyone to please stand. Let us begin our class today with prayer. Miss Enoperio, please lead the prayer. Amen. Thank you very much, Miss Enoperio. And please remain standing for our energizer to shake off your sleepiness and make you active for our discussion this morning. To start our energizer, I will ask you, students, to stand up and play a quick game called Check Yourself. And now, I will ask you a simple task like raise your hands, clap 3 times, or say your name aloud. Okay, understood? Let's start. Okay, are you all energized? Okay. Are you all energized? But before you sit down, and thank you for your cooperation, I hope that exercise make you feel more energized. And now, before you sit down, please arrange your chairs and pick up any trash you see around you and make yourselves comfortable. Is everything in order? Okay, now you may take your seats. Okay class, how are you today? Students, how are you? I'm glad that all of you are in a good condition. At this point, I'd like you to look at your classmates on your left, right, front, behind, and greet them good morning with a smile. In a count of 3, 1, 2, 3, start. Now, after greeting your classmates, is anyone missing this morning? That's good. I am very happy that all of you are here inside our classroom today to learn another lessons. And now, before we proceed to our discussion, our lessons this morning, I have some rules that I would like you to follow in my class. The first one, avoid talking. The second one, always listen. The third one, sit properly. And the fourth one, we have raise your hand. Okay? Is that clear? Good. Now, before we proceed to our new topic today, let us first recall the lessons we discussed last time. Who still remembers our lesson last time? Baniel, very good. Now, because your answer is good and your answer is correct, you will get an award to your very beautiful and charming teacher. Now, and because of that, her is your reward, Baniel. And the next one, our topic, before we proceed to our topic today, let's have some motivations. For that, all of you have a hint, an idea of what is our topic this morning. And to begin our lessons, I will ask 3 volunteers, and each volunteers will be given a simple classroom task. Okay, Milon, Charity, and Dagunan, please come in front. And Milon, you will pretend to give a short quiz. And Dagunan, you will check a classmate's short quiz. And lastly, si and you will observe a group presentation or a role play. And after that, you will perform it and you have an idea what is our topic this morning. Okay? Now, I will ask you class, what do you think these volunteers were doing? And why do teachers use these activities? Yes, Marisa, very good. Our topic today is all about the classroom-based assessment. Now, but before that, let us please read our objectives. Okay, now, classroom-based assessment class. This is a process of evaluation evaluating students, their knowledge, skills, and progress directly within the classroom using activities like quizzes, projects, observations, and also performance. Unlike standardized tests, it is closely tied to the actual lesson taught in making more relevant and useful for guiding instruction. But the classroom-based assessment, there are types of classroom-based assessment. The first one, we have diagnostic assessment. I know all of you have a knowledge what is diagnostic test. This is the entrance, or for example, this is the example of post-test, pre-test, like that. The diagnostic test or assessment is used at the beginning of the lessons or unit to identify students' prior knowledge and their learning gaps. The second one, we have the formative assessment. Happens during instructions or such as through quizzes, class discussion, or a teacher observation to monitor progress, then provide feedback. And the third one, we have the summative assessment. The summative assessment, this is conducted at the end of a unit or a grading period. Example of this: first grading, second grading, or in the college, we call it midterm, final term. Yes, that is the example of summative. And now we have the continuous assessment. This is the teachers allow students to demonstrate skills through presentations, role plays, or portfolios, whilst authentic assessment connects learning to the real life tasks such as writing reports or creating projects. Or one of the example of this is giving an assignment to the students. And the last one, we have classroom assessment techniques, wherein the teacher may also use self-assessment to encourage students to reflect on their own learning. Altogether, these types of classroom assessment help teachers adjust instructions, guide student growth, and make learning more meaningful. Now, do you have any questions, clarifications? What are the types of classroom-based assessment? Diagnostic, formative, summative, continuous assessment, and the last one, the classroom-based assessment. Now, since you don't have any questions, let us move on to our group activity. I will divide you into two groups and only to perform a short dramatization using the types of classroom-based assessment. And all you need to do is you will choose the types of classroom-based assessment wherein you can dramatize either the diagnostic assessment, happen in the classrooms or anywhere. And with that, I will give you 5 minutes and 3 minutes to perform. But before anything else, I will give you the criteria. First, creativity 20%, proficiency 40%, originality 30%, and creativity 10%. The total of 100%. Do you understand? Okay, your 5 minutes starts now. Okay, 5 minutes is up. Now let's watch the first group. Very good. We will give them a Darna clap. The second group, excellence. We will give them a Magaling clap. And let's all give ourselves a round of applause because you did a good job. And now, do you want to know the scores or the points that you got? All of you got the same points, wherein you got a 97% of the points that I've given to you. And now, at this point, class, I will ask you if you truly learned something from our lessons this morning, today. Now, what is our topic today? Yes, Palagpio. You got it right. That is the classroom-based assessment. What is the classroom-based assessment? Dagunan? Okay, very good. Kadusali, what are the types of classroom-based assessment. And very good. Now the last question is, Sarosa. The question is how we appreciate as a students and how the classroom-based assessment is supports our student learning and also the teacher's decision making. Okay? Okay, very good. You got the correct answer and I am very, very pleased that all of you listened to our class today, our lessons today. Okay, now to measure your understanding to our lessons this afternoon, I will give you a test, a quick test to identify. The instruction here is identify the classroom-based assessment and its type being described. Now I will give you a test on paper and all you need to do is to answer and I'll be the one to check it. Okay. I will give you 5 minutes to answer and 1 minute to pass it in prompt. Your 5 minutes is up. Okay? In a count of 3, all your papers must be in the prompt. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, I will be the one to check it. And now guys, we have an assignment and all you need to do is to write a short essay and explaining classroom-based assessment, its importance in improving the student learning, the different types of teachers can use such as formative, summative, diagnostic, continuous, and also the classroom assessment. Now, include one practical examples of an assessment tool like quiz, rubric, or checklist for a subject of your choice and end with a brief reflection on how classroom-based assessment help teachers adjust instruction to meet student needs. That in our assignment, we have an criteria wherein all you need to do, but don't worry class, I will send it to our GC, okay? Okay, now do you have any questions, clarifications, by interactions? If there is none, okay, may I request everyone to please stand. And goodbye class. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you for listening. Kanang banahan?